Long-awaited trial of a woman accused of killing 2 toddlers and their grandfather with her car has been postponed again.
Jessica Hood was set to go to trial for manslaughter and assault this morning for a crash that took place back in March of 2015. Local 12's Joe Webb was in court. He joins us now with the very latest on the new delay. Joe?
Well, Brad, the jury pool was there, family members were there, the defendant and lawyers for both the prosecution and defense were there ready to go to trial. But it was continued again because of new evidence, we're not sure what it is, that was brought to court by prosecutors on the day of trial. Now, Jessica Hood left the courtroom knowing she won't go to trial now until December 4th, nearly 4 months from now. That means the trial will start nearly 3 years after the crash on Weaver Road that killed Charles Napier and his twin 13-month-old grandchildren, Samantha and Sean May. Investigators say Napier and the children's aunt were pulling them in a wagon along the road when Hood went onto the shoulder and hit them. Hood's attorney has tried to block evidence of her cell phone usage and claims it was an accident, not distracted driving. He said he was ready to go to trial today until he got this surprise.
The trial is continued because some new documentation, some new evidence came out this morning before trial that we were not able to. I moved to exclude it and was not successful. So the judge has granted us some time to review this additional information that just came out this morning.
Jessica Hood was offered what her attorney described as a reasonable plea offer, but she declined it last week. He says she is adamant about proving her innocence. She is facing 3 manslaughter in the second-degree charges and 2 counts of assault. Another grandchild and the children's aunt were also injured in the crash, but their injuries were not life-threatening. Brad?
Joe, thanks so much. Each of the manslaughter charges carries a possible sentence of 5 to 10 years in prison if Hood is convicted.